Hey Leo, welcome to the channel. This is going to be a reading for the next 15 days. All that you need to know about your soulmate, their feelings, intention, what this person is up to, or what could be blocking the connection, and what you can expect for the near outcome. Okay, so for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. First, three cards for you, and then we move to your person. So, what's going on with you? The month of October, we have the Knight of Cups. So, you definitely have feelings for someone. You are missing them at this current time. What else do you see happening for Leo? And if you guys could be connecting with a fellow, either it is a water sign, if Earth, it is a Taurus. Okay, for many of you, this person is someone you want to get married with. For selected few of you, this person is already married, so that could be a problem. Okay, what else do we see coming up for Leo? The problem is that the High Priestess, this connection could never go full circle. Whenever you guys are wanting things to work, something or the other always gets in the way. It always looks more like a lesson than a connection. Okay, so in terms of how is this person thinking about Leo now? Holding back. I feel there's silence going on between the two of you, the High Priestess and the Strength. Even after you know nothing much is being happening, you guys are still holding on to each other. Okay, in terms of how do they think about Leo, what exactly do they think about Leo in terms of partnership? Mind you, many of you, this person could have blocked you, or possibly like pushed you away by saying something or doing something. In terms of what are their major feelings for Leo, please, in terms of their hate space? With a star card, this person in the past could have held you into a third party. Okay, but this person, even if they are not really saying much, doing much, they're still wanting to keep that hope alive that someday this connection can work. They're still wanting to stay positive about it. Okay, in terms of their heart space, in terms of the heart space with Ace of Wands, they're extremely passionate about you. More than emotions, I see this connection being very sexual. Okay, I do not mean in a bad way like a fling. It's just that your person looks at you in a very passionate way more than emotionally. Okay, everyone loves differently, and they may be loving you sexually. Okay, so in terms of the hate space, it's like you are their eye candy, if that sounds right. With Five of Wands, due to certain conflict or drama, this person has distanced themselves. Okay, but I believe this person is not quitting on this connection. Okay, in terms of what are their major intentions towards Leo now? So this person will keep you at crossroads for a while. Okay, what's the major blockage, Spirit? Major blockage that for selected few of you, I believe this person is already stuck into a situationship with someone else. Okay, I do believe there could be an active third party situation going, and they cannot find their way out. Unless they find a way out, they're not wanting to promise you anything. Okay, one more card. For some of you, there might be a significant age difference. Okay, this person might be older or you are older than them, but there could be an age difference. If not, I believe this person is very controlling, and they fear losing control once they possibly decide of being a part of you. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. Okay, in terms of what action do they want to take towards Leo now? With Three of Cups, they are ready to keep it in a very friendly way, like a very much casual way. But when it comes to emotionally being involved, wanting a commitment, they might not be exactly ready for it. Okay, so what can Leo expect for the next 15 days? King of Pentacles, please clarify. With Ace of Swords, you guys are definitely going to get some bit of communication from their side. Okay, what are they ready to offer you now? For now, I see them giving you attention with the Sun card, Ace of Swords. Okay, so by the next 15 days, where do you see this connection going? Selected few of you, I also feel like this may be someone who you work with. Okay, with Four of Wands, For many of you, I believe this is a twin flame. Okay, you guys are dealing with a possible twin flame. That is the reason why, there are so many major arcana cards. We have the High Priestess, we have Four of Wands. Okay, there might be Temperance soon as well. But the problem is this person isn't completely going to give in. I see this person ready for a sexual relationship, but not exactly ready for an emotional relationship. In terms of what do they want with you in the near future, see, I'll be very honest with you. I do not see them wanting commitment as of now. Okay, what exactly are they willing to have with you? With the King of Cups in the reverse, this person is not ready to have an emotional connection. They are fine having it very much passionately, but when it comes to emotionally involving themselves, they will distance themselves. Okay, that is what they have decided on. Like what else do we see blocking the connection? This person wants to keep their options open, or possibly doesn't want to be bound, or doesn't want to possibly commit or stay in this connection like forever. They want to keep themselves open. Okay, like not wanting to restrict themselves in any which way, want to live their life on their own terms. Okay, for many of you, you guys will be dealing with the Aries as well. How do they view you, however? They view you as someone who's fine without them. With Nine of Pentacles, they feel like you're enjoying your life. You're basically focused on your own self. You are very good looking. You are financially doing well. So they look at you as someone who's very good looking, stable, not bothered if they are with you or not. You just seem to be enjoying your life. Okay, in terms of partner, how do they view you? In terms of partnership as well, with Ten of Pentacles, you were someone they wanted to get married with in the past, but due to whatever circumstances, for now, I don't see this person ready. Okay, one card for how do they view the connection? Four of Pentacles, sorry. They look at the connection as something that is blocked or that is stagnant, because you guys are not taking your chances. Okay, so for the next 1 month, where do you see this connection going? So with King of Swords, you guys will definitely communicate, but I do not see major things happening. You guys might even be able to meet them in person, but I don't see it, coming to a very much a stable point. Okay, right now, what is going on with your person? Right now, your person with Two of Swords is not really wanting anything. They're just in denial. Okay, even after having shit for you, they're in denial. They're not wanting to face it. Okay, do you see a third party active? With Knight of Pentacles, I believe that your person is had already invested elsewhere, like they had already invested. I don't see them having any feelings as such. This could be just a situationship or something very practical, like a marriage maybe. But this person is not emotionally involved there. Okay, so according to them, why are they not possibly opening up emotionally? With the Page of Swords, this person isn't ready for you. That is one reason that they think. Okay, and with Nine of Cups, this person is selfish. Okay, so let's take spirit messages for you, Leo. So this person is choosing their personal life, practical life over their love life. We have work over love. Okay, lies, betrayal, sweet words. This person could be someone who is very good with their words, but when it comes to taking action, they hardly do anything. Okay, one last card for Leo, please. Issues, anger, ego, past. So you guys definitely share a past, and it might not be a very good one. And you guys are right now ego driven. There are also fears. Okay, this person isn't also ready. When someone is not ready, if you give them those relationship vibes and all, then they might run away. So your person is not even ready to have a relationship. Forget you wanting one. This person isn't ready. If you're waiting on them, darling, then you have to be very patient. Otherwise, this person will just trigger you left, right, and center. Okay. So right now, what do they want from you? With Queen of Swords, I just see them wanting to talk honestly, like one on one. Okay, with Nine of Wands, this person definitely has unresolved issues with you, and they would want to discuss that. Okay, so yes, this is all I have for Leo. I know it was a very triggering reading, but what to do? Okay, you'll have to deal with your person, and I do not see it being very smooth. Okay, so if it has resonated, darling, to hit the like button, because that's how YouTube works. Every like helps me get more reach. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. If you want a personal reading, we have 15% off going on all reads. You could just go to my website and use the promo code happy birthday 09. Okay, thank you so much for coming in, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers. I miss you all.